So, gun drop. Eh? Money pick up and gun drop. Go off and shoot people. Hear me now. We are going to talk about this. So, yeah, people, latest update pertaining to the Beryllium, you know what I mean, guard force will protect the money for the corporate business place them. You know what I say, NCB, you know, JN, the whole of them little place, the Caesars, Pizzas, Mega Mart, the whole of them place there. And you know, say, we all know, over a period of time, them and the gangbangers them, you know what I mean, the bang them, at it. Everywhere the Beryllium pull up. You have one of them like AD wagon there, one of them could carry the pull up with some rifleman. Yeah, like a PUBG. Grand Theft Auto type of behavior. Zin, so the Beryllium man them depend them peak and them queue and them clock and you know the terms them. From them time there. I watch out and I look out and you know in a couple of the scene them run a St. Thomas and down a Galchester there. Yeah, Manchester. Shootout go on. You know, a beer shootout with them. And the man them always shoot the Beryllium man them in some corner, have them running up and down all over the places. You know what I mean? And the Beryllium man them fully armed. You know what I say? 12 gauge rifle, you know what I mean? Buckshot, you know, kill rhino and them type of something there. Handgun, you know what I say? Specialized in a 404 Magnum and also Glock, you know what I mean? But these men where come, the man come well arms up like, you know what I mean? If them supposed to call the force, them supposed to can make them way out because a rifle them man come with have a 60-30 shot in night and all these things. But we they have to talk about the two people where the Beryllium man them shot. And me I tell you, when me get the news, me I say, yeah, them catch two of them. Yeah, man, them hold two of them. I mean, I listen out for hear of a dead people them. Because you don't know, when the Beryllium man them a shoot out with the shootout man them. The shootout man them always get where, jumping at them car and gone with money and get where. So, for me here say, them knock two people. Me not rejoice because you don't know we not glorifying a death. But, yeah, it's like the man them go range, go train people. Comment, and let me know what I go on. Because I don't know, enough of people are family members who are Beryllium people to want them something they'll do and I go disclose. You know what I say? But yeah, the man them go range, go train. This is in my brain, you know. Because you know how human think and how humans stay. You get like information, you gone all up in your brains already and I think all kind of things. And it does become this big movie. Then, so me think the man them gone arrange, gone shoot and train and you don't know when you look on the gram motor and see some place where the man them provide where you can go paint shooting, run and dodge back at some box and run and jump and you know what I mean? So in my brain the man them go do some of them runnings and some trainings and prior to the whole heap of interaction and the whole heap of confrontation we're going over the years, cause I'm gonna say over the years, cause I tell you, it come like every week. Yeah man, it's like a series. Every week, the Beryllium and the gangbanger them at it. You see me I say? So me I say the man them got train and ready up now. And slap two of them. So, them can question them and find out where the source of the hacker come from. Only for find out people. See are two innocent. When me get the update and hear say are two innocent people get shot, me I wonder what go on now. What happened? Two innocent people get touched. Right? What go on? What occurred? What transpired? The people them run up and down in a crossfire? Or the gangbanger them run with the people them there and them fire for them and you know me I say people, so they just look and see what go on. See there? Just look on the whole vibration. Check it out for yourself. Make we have a dialogue. Make we conversate. In the comments, down there so. More you tell me, if you think I just run them around and a fire a while, when I talk about the Beryllium man them in it. Or the gangbanger man them will come and shoot to take away the little piece of food. Run where the people them there. I run in the direction of the people them. And shots were fired that hit these people. Cause me I try to forget it in my brain. These men supposed to be more even say marksman. Cause you don't know you have the marksman team out there already. This is Beryllium. But prior to hands and arms, you're supposed to marks. You're supposed to be going range and a regular. You know what I mean? These things supposed to put in place where you go to the range, you shoot on range, and you know how to angle yourself into situations like this. So it's shocking to me just to hear 2 innocent people get shot. You know what I mean? By some professional arms holders. Yes. Professional firearm holders. People who supposed to know how to maneuver them. Just like when you drive a truck. You know how to maneuver yourself in a truck. More times some little truck man catch a drink one drink and it throw him over. Yeah, but look. You're supposed to in a control. Yeah, Beryllium man no drink. You know if you stop on a bar and have no drink. And nothing. You're supposed to go collect the money, carry the money, go at the vault and lock off the food and them thing there. So them supposed to well sober. Yeah. So people, I want to know what go on. You don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear now. Beer vibes and it's the real media, you know. Reggae vibes, media. Yeah. So hit that bell right there, son of man. Yeah, my name never tell you to subscribe. Yeah. Because if you're there. And I know you're going to stay. Yeah. So, just go on full joy life. Reggae vibes. You hear me talk. Beryllium people, they need to go arrange, man. Yeah, man. Training. Yeah, man. I just drive up and down in a van and I go pick up money and all these things. Because I need to, they can do the thing the proper way. Because time you know, man. Yeah, man. You're not tired. Yeah, man. So, yeah, my people. How I really know. And I'm out.